2081 Waverly Circle. We have a lot of properties in this area, even on the street, so we do have experience in this area. May want to remove those satellite dishes. Landscape cleanup, remove some of these things that are falling off the palm tree, maybe actually do a cleanup of the palm tree itself. So the carpet looks new. The paint itself looks great as well. So we have older style tile, but it looks like it's in good condition, and it's not the typical old ceramic tile. Sort of like this. Cabinets look fine. I think they'll also be fine because it's a laundry room. See a 3-prong back there. You can't really see much else. Nice bright garage. Little coat closet. Paint is definitely white. Jenny prefers a tan, biscotti type of color. So we'll see if she says we can pull this off for a tenant turn or not. Need a space saver microwave. Preferably granite counters. Undermount sink with a gooseneck faucet. Carpet still looks good. 2 more windows and a slider. There's a fan. There's paint splatter on it. We'll see if janitorial can get that. Vertical. Okay. It's a very large backyard. Maybe a little large for Jen's taste. I have no idea how to operate that. But we do have a lot of concrete. We have a patio overhang. The rear of the yard is the north facing, so you'll pretty much always have shade over on this side. Definitely need to remove some weeds. Our AC units are on this side. Nice concrete pathway. Okay. There's some old style cabinet pulls on here, but that's a Jenny question. Sort of an interesting light fixture. Frosted, so we wouldn't need a blind on there unless Jenny thought too much heat was coming through. So I'll go ahead and count that window. Paint overall is fine. Carpet still looks great. Maybe remove cables. This is a nice size room. 3 more windows. That same tile that was downstairs. The caulking doesn't look horrific. It may be okay with the janitorial. Not my call. Light fixtures look good. I don't see rust on it. They're not the curly key light bulbs, so that's good. Standard. These cabinets look a little dirty. We'll see if janitorial can clean that up or if maybe paint it or something. Yeah. Shower rod. This feels like a decent sized room. Maybe pull that paper off of the closet door. That's pretty much it.